Hi, so today I'm going to show you a bow exercise that you can do as you practice your violin. And so the first thing is we're going to get our violin up on our shoulder, and we want to make sure that our scroll is pointed this way and that our violin is really, really level on our shoulder. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up our bow, and we want a really good bow hold. So that means our pinky is curved and our thumb is curved. And then once your bow hold is really, really awesome, what you're going to do is you're going to set your bow right in the middle of your bow. You might have a tape on your bow, or two tapes, and so it'll be the bottom tape, but it'll be right in the middle of your bow, right in the middle between your bridge and your fingerboard. And so you'll set it and make sure it's all set, and we'll actually start on the E string, so set it on the E string, and all we're going to do is we're going to do 4 short bows. So we're going to go like this. So just down, up, right in between those tapes. And if you don't have tapes, it's just about 1 inch of bow, really small bows. So go ahead and pause the video and try doing that 3 times, and then whenever you're ready, unpause the video and we'll do the A string together. So now that you've done the E string, go ahead and move your bow to the A string. And so your elbow is going to have to come up just a little bit to get on that A string level, and we'll be right in the center between the bridge and the fingerboard, right in the middle of our bow, and we're going to do the same thing, 4 short bows. So go ahead and try that one 3 times. So go ahead and pause the video, and then whenever you're ready, unpause it and we'll do something else. So once you have those strings done, what we're going to do is we are going to practice switching back and forth. And so we're going to start on the E string, and we're going to do 4 bows. But once we're done with those bows, we're going to switch to the A string. And so it'll sound like this. So 4 short bows on each string. As you do this, make sure that your bow is glued to the string, that it never leaves the string. It just is like a teeter-totter, and it just goes over to the A string. Make sure your elbow is moving, and that you're on that A string level when you need to move to it. So go ahead and try that by yourself 3 times, and then whenever you're ready, we're going to do the next step. So the next step is our pepperoni pizza rhythm. And so we're going to start on the E string, and we're going to do that rhythm. So try that out. And then once you've done that one 3 times, we're going to go over to the A string, and we're going to do that same rhythm. So try the A string rhythm 3 times. And then when you're ready for the next step, this is the next step. We're going to do both of those strings together, just like we did before. And so we're going to do the E string and then the A string with that pepperoni pizza rhythm. Okay, so why don't you try that 3 times, and then unpause the video whenever you're ready. So as you're practicing this bow exercise, some things to remember is to always have your bow set and ready before you start playing. Always make sure that you're between the bridge and the fingerboard, right about there, right in the center. And always make sure that you're in the center of your bow and that you're using small bow strokes to play your violin. And then the last thing to remember is to always make sure that your elbow is on the right level for the string that you're playing. So try to practice this every day, and using your bow will get a lot easier. If you have any questions, you can email me or text me, and I'll try to get those questions answered.